here's how to create a paid Telegram channel. It's very easy to do, so make sure you watch till the very end so you won't miss any of the steps. First, you will need to open your Telegram app, and once you are logged into your Telegram account, now here you have to click on the pencil icon at the bottom. Once you click on the icon, now here you have to enter your channel name and add a little bit of description, and after that you have to click on the OK button. After that, here you have to create a link for your channel, and once done, now you have to click on the OK button. After that, here you have to go back and now you have to search for the add members bot. Now you have to click on it and then click on the start button. Once you click on the start button, after that you have to go back again. Now you have to click on your channel that you have created, and here you have to click on your profile icon at the top. After that, you have to click on the administrators option at the bottom and then click on the option add admin, and here you have to search for the invite members. Once you search for it, now here you have to open this bot. Once you open this bot, now here you have to click on the OK button at the top, and after that you have given this bot the administrative roles. Then go back to your channel, and here you have to type in tutorials and then click on the send button. After that you have to forward it to your invite members. After that, go back and open invite members bot, and here you have to select the payment method by which you want to receive payment from your clients. Here you have to select your currency type and the duration of your payment, and you also have to enter the value of your payment that you want to receive. Now click on the done button, and once all done, now you have to go back and here you have to search for the bot father and then click to open it. After that, click on the start. Now in the message section you have to type in /new bot and then click on the send button, and after that you have to enter the link of your bot and then click on the send button. Here it will send you a code that you have to copy and then again go back to your invite friends bot. Now here you have to copy and paste that code to add the payment method by which they can send you money. So this is how you can create a paid channel on Telegram.